I'm Susan. I hope everybody's doing great. For the cake part of our peanut butter gooey butter cake, we're going to need a devil's food cake mix, a half a cup of butter, and I'll be melting this, and 1 egg. For the filling part, we're going to need 3 eggs, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 pound of powdered sugar, a half a cup of butter, and I'll be melting that as well, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You want to lightly spray a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, and I have my oven preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And to a mixing bowl, you want to add your cake mix, a half a cup of melted butter, and your egg. And you just want to mix that really well. Now you want to press your cake mixture into your greased 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Now set it aside for a moment. Now using your same bowl and beater, you don't even have to wash them. You want to add your softened cream cheese. And to your cream cheese, you want to add your cup of creamy peanut butter. And you want to beat these together until mixed well, softened, and smooth. After it's smooth, and I did scrape it down a couple of times, you want to add your 3 eggs, and I do them one at a time, getting them mixed in really well. You want to add in your vanilla. Be sure and scrape down your bowl well here as well, because you want to get all the peanut butter that sticks to the bottom and such. You want everything mixed really well. Now you want to add in your pound of powdered sugar and mix it well. And now you want to slowly pour in your melted butter, mixing this as well. Now you want to pour your filling over your cake mixture and just spread it out. You'll want to bake this for 40 to 50 minutes or until it's done. You don't want to overbake this. It'll be a little jiggly in the middle, but you want it to be gooey. And here it is after it's cooled. It'll settle down and it will firm up. And it is so good. My family loves it. My oldest son said, "Mama, you hadn't made these in a long time." And it was so good. And here's what it looks like. I'm sorry the light's not the best once it's sliced. But this is so good and I highly recommend it. I'll give it a try. And by the way, this is a Paula Deen recipe.